The name of this book is
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
This book is an excellent source for teaching French or learning French yourself. In this book, we will explore different but important topics to help students understand the core of the French language. This book is the best book for French learners. In addition, we have this Monde series of 7 course books. For beginners, this book should be of value as this book is prepared pictorially and graphically to make this book more knowledgeable. Easy exercises are given at the end of each chapter for students to practice. All the lessons are written in both French and English to help you learn the foreign language of your choice. This is the index of
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
As you can see, it lists the lessons of this book, which we will explore in this video. As we can see, all the chapters are written in English as well as French to make it clearer which we shall learn in this book and what this book actually holds for us to help us learn and understand the French language. Name of this chapter, Knowledge of France, is Lesson 0 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Through English sentences and various pictures, including the renowned Eiffel Tower, we shall learn about the continents of the world and the monuments of France. Name of this chapter, Alphabet, is Lesson 1 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
That delves into the fundamental topic of alphabet. This chapter serves as a crucial initial step in mastering the French language by the use of English sentences and diverse pictorial aids. Students will acquire the ability to correctly enunciate and transcribe the French alphabet and all associated vocabulary. This chapter, Let's Count Together, is Lesson 2 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
In this chapter, kids will learn to count in the French language. As we know, counting numbers is similar in all languages, but spellings and pronunciation are different. So, in this chapter, we shall learn to count, which is important after learning the alphabets. This is Lesson 3 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Is titled How to Salute. In this chapter, we shall explore the greeting words used in France to greet elders, teachers, or anyone else we meet based on the time of day. This is Lesson 4 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Is dedicated to how to present oneself. It is crucial for kids or the reader to learn how to introduce confidently themselves in any situation, including their name, age, and other important details. Speaking is a critical skill, and teaching kids to speak with confidence from an early age helps them grow and understand how to communicate effectively in any setting. Welcome to Lesson 5 of book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Where we will be exploring Let's Go to School. It is imperative that children and readers learn about the necessary accessories used in school such as bags, pencils, books, erasers, and more. This chapter is Lesson 6 of book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Titled At House. This chapter will help you learn how to pronounce and write the different parts of a house in French through English sentences and pictures. This is the Lesson 7 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Titled Food, where we shall discuss food. In this chapter, we shall use English words and visuals to teach you how to pronounce and write the names of various foods in French, such as fruits and vegetables. This is the Lesson 8 of book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Titled Animals and Birds, where we shall explore the exciting world of animals and birds. This chapter focuses on helping students to pronounce and spell different animals and birds' names in French by using English words as a reference. This is the Lesson 9 of our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
Is titled The Calendar. In this chapter, we shall explore the names of the weekdays, months, and the number of months in a year. The title of this chapter is Family, which is Lesson 10 in our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
we shall explore the various familial relationships and the terms we use to refer to them, such as father, mother, sister, uncle, cousin, and more. This chapter, titled French Festivals, is lesson 11 in our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
We shall discover the various types of celebrations that take place in France. Festivals hold great significance in our lives as they provide us cherished memories with our friends, family, and loved ones. This is lesson 12 of our book,
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
titled Colors of the World. Through English words and vivid pictures, we shall explore the world of colors, including their pronunciation and spelling. This is the lesson 13 of our book,
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
is titled Parts of the Body. Throughout this chapter, we shall explore how to pronounce correctly and write the names of various body parts in French, using English words as a reference. This is lesson 14 of our French language textbook,
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
titled Professions. Through this chapter, children will learn about various professions, such as doctors, police officers, and teachers, with the aid of English words and pictures. This chapter, titled Sports, is lesson 15 in our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
In this chapter, we shall explore the topic of sports and teach students that sports encompass all forms of physical activity. This chapter, entitled Clothing, is lesson 16 in our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
In this lesson, we shall be learning about different types of attire for men, women, and children. The title of this chapter is Means of Transport, is lesson 17 in our book.
La Lumière de Français au Monde-0.
In this chapter, we shall discover the names of various modes of transportation in French with the assistance of English words and pictures. We offer a range of online resources for accessing different types of books, such as e-books, audiobooks, videos, exam papers, and e-learning materials. In today's world, online resources are just as important as offline resources, and we believe that providing children with access to both is crucial for their growth and development. By following the links provided, you can discover a diverse selection of books and unique platforms that will help kids learn and develop in a variety of ways. Let's explore these resources together and have fun while learning French in exciting new ways. We are bringing above series for students. So for more this kind of learning interesting video, do like subscribe our channel. And we will get back soon again with a new and interesting video like this. Till then, stay tuned with us. Please subscribe, like our channel. Please share this video with French learners.